Hi. You gonna clap your balls? Yay! See, I just turned 11 months old. And my puppy's behind me. Hi! Can you say hi? He loves to play with balls. Uh-oh! He likes to look in between his legs. So funny. You're so busy, aren't you? He's drooling a lot now because one of his bottom teeth is coming in. Look at that butt. Look at the butt. Look at the butt. You keep hitting your puppy with your butt and you're turning him on. And this thing is like a baby toy, but he still loves to play in it. We took all the hanging things off, but he just is funny with it. Hi! You can't put two in your hands. Trevor, can you get the ball to Mama? Can you get the ball to Mama? Give it to Mama. Thank you. Thank you. Here, do you want it back? Okay, thank you. Yay. Here's his room. Put his mobile up there. And stuff everywhere. Stuff everywhere. Puppy. Yeah. Are you going to play the drums for Mama? Huh? Annoying with my ball. He flicks everything with his fingers like that. Uh-oh. I don't know what that noise is supposed to be. Sometimes I think it sounds like chopper, which would kill me if that was his first word. He's not really talking yet. He likes to squeal. Tell me, Trevor. Trevor. Say Mama. Mama. Uh-oh. Mama. Hi, baby. Your hair is crazy. Oh, uh-oh. Hi, baby. Say hi, Mama. Trevor. Mm-mm. That's what he does all the time. Right? Just yell. You're trying to get the lens cap. Yeah. Oh, you're pulling it. You're pulling it. Yeah, you're pulling it. That's Mama's. That's Mama's. On his knees. He does like to play on his knees. Hide the lens cap. Just so busy. Here, look, this squeaks. Give him a smell. Yeah. Is it squeaking, Book? You're so funny. Is it your book? Is it your book? He still likes to crawl on one foot and one knee. It's so funny. Are you going to try to make a phone call without the phone? Okay. We can't get shoes for the boy because he has this chub on top of his feet. So we can't get anything to fit on his feet. Where are you going? No, don't play with that. That's yucky diapers. No, no, Trevor. Okay. He likes to sit on it now and tip it over. That's funny. Yeah, that's funny. Did you knock it over? And Mommy will fix it. And I have to keep putting it up. That's the best. Oh, fold it over and then Mommy will fix it. That's what he keeps doing. What are you gonna do, a somersault? You're funny. Gonna play your drums? His balloon that died, but he still likes to play with. Trevor. Trevor, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Hi, baby. Look at Mama. I'm gonna get the... Trevor, look at Mama. Trevor. Hi, baby. He's so busy. Uh-oh, I let the lens cap come out. Now you're gonna get it. You gonna get it? Hey, you can't pull it though. I'm gonna pull the camera off Mommy's hand. Are you gonna try to eat it? I don't want to eat it, Mom. So serious. Trevor. Boop. A boop. He was laughing at that noise earlier. Our clock is wrong in here. Mommy forgot to set the clock. Oh, are we done?